wow. That is really cool.
That's T-Track.
Yeah.
So are you local?
Yeah, Haley.
Yeah, well, we're the Philadelphia division. So we're a group of model railroaders. We meet, a couple times. We have a meet coming up in September and another one down in Delaware.
Oh, tell me where you meet at.
I used to go to the Star Model Railroad Club.
The Star, okay. Yeah, we some of those people are in our group as well.
Oh, okay.
But but we're open. This our next meet. It's 2 Saturdays from now, I guess.
Okay.
And then that afternoon, the Gatsby Club is open, and we have maybe 2 other layouts.
Wow.
So you're welcome to come as a guest. We would hope that you join our group.
Okay. Oh, he would love that.
So we have for $20 you can join the NMRA as a trial. You can take a magazine or 2.
Okay.
All right.
Take a magazine or 2.
Yeah, free. It says free.
Oh, it's free.
Free.
Awesome.
Do that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, wow.
This is Joe here. I don't know. Joe's over there. He's a master model railroader. It's like being in the Boy Scouts. You get merit badges.
Yeah.
So Joe scratch built these things.
Too, yeah.
Oh, did you see this one? You see the fan?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the lights?
Nice.
Yeah.
Really cool.
Yeah.
Wow. And your name?
Kevin.
Kevin?
God bless you.
Thank you.
Yes,
Eddie.
yes.
Eddie.
Yeah. Well, come see us in September, and if you like us, we.
Let's not miss over here.
Oh, jeez. How you doing?
Oh, look at Lehigh Valley.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Over down there. These are metal right here. Come down over here. Like there is just so much, like,
I know.
cause there's vendors back over here.
I know. We'll get to it though.
Like I'm trying to keep it in one area.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? One area. Cause there's just so much.
What are these, Ricky?
These are books. These are books. Alright, let's make our way around here.
We'll just do one all the way back, and then we'll start from that end back over there. We'll do it that way.
Yeah.
Ooh! Look at this.
Yeah.
How much?
Probably a couple hundred, I'd say.
This is a 203.
Yeah.
This is a 19.
And they got some nice models up there. Look at these.
You got that one.
Conrail one here. I don't know. Oh, they got Horizons. Look at this. Ooh, look at this. How much are these going for?
They got different ones.
How much?
Let me get the price on it.
Yeah. I think it's 10 right there, but I'm not sure.
What's the price on this? 90?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Everything here is 90, right?
That whole stack, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yep.
90. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, and they're lighted and everything. They have everything you could want.
Oh, they got light in it?
Yeah.
The lights and everything's already in it.
I have a couple of these.
Oh, okay.
I'll just, have a couple of these.
Wow, man. You can get them cheaper than this, can't you? No?
90's a good price, actually.
Is it?
Yeah, because they're selling these online for like 100, 150, $200.
What's underneath them? Look at that.
This is a dinette. Let me go over here. Oh, they got some nice stuff here. we go. These are my Ballast hopper kits. Ask them how much I think these are these 23?
Yeah, they're all 23.
23.
How much you normally pay?
I think I got 2 for that price.
How much?
I think I got 2 for this price.
Well then, you get 2 for that price, then.
I think.
Don't buy.
Yeah. They're hard to get though.
Oh, well, if you want it, we can get it.
Yeah.
How many you need?
I got like 10 at home. 10
Oh,
or
well,
12.
please.
Yeah.
Use your money on something else.
Oh, we got detail parts.
Oh, like you had your own entrance music?
Oh yeah, we were body slamming each other.
Got your Max card too.
Yeah.
Behind you.
Oh, they did back
Oh,
then?
hell yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I used to.
We didn't have any wrestling for about 2 weeks.
I was the king. I had 2. I had the camel clutch. I could do the figure 4 leg lock.
Oh
like
yeah,
nobody, like
we
nobody
would do
did.
all of that, man.
Yeah.
We would do every move. And because the finishing moves back then weren't like they are now.
Yeah.
You know, they're for other people. Oh.
Yeah, dude, I would get somebody in that figure 4.
I used to have one of
and I would
these.
Pull back, and just cinch that thing in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And now if you turn,
You could do. Oh wait, no, yeah, you could do the Boston Crab.
yeah, oh the Boston
I
Crab.
had this number.
The camel clutch was the best though.
The Boston
put the
Crab.
guy-
Once you get in the Boston Crab, there ain't no way to get out of that.
The camel clutch though. I take your arm, put one arm here, one arm.
Oh, that fucking
Yeah.
feels like a
Yeah, all right through here. Yep.
Oh,
Get them like this. Boom!
That times 150.
$20 each.
Yeah, 150 for 8.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good
I
price.
like that weather.
I like that too, yeah.
that nice?
That's really nice, yeah.
Yeah.
These are all different numbers too. Those are nice. $89. That's not a bad price.
Look at this name.
Oh, Herzog, yeah. You can't find these.
No?
They're hard to find. They're hard to find.
179?
Nah, no. I'm not. No, that's. They're hard to find, but
You don't want to look up in there, do you?
yeah, that's what I'm doing now.
Yo. Nice. How much?
What are these?
Is it assembled?
Let me
Yeah.
see if we
Fine.
have it.
I think I'll ask him, but we'll see.
Where was this?
It's a kid.
Where was this? That's not pretty cool. 'Cause I didn't really come to always talk per se. What's every certain piece?
Oh, look at this one.
I might have wondered about.
NPC.
I'm looking for a
Bay
Burlington
Colony.
40-foot boxcar made by Amazon.
Here's a display case. 100,
nice.
150.
Isn't that nice?
That's where you put your trains in.
Mm-hmm. For display, huh?
Yeah,
You can get one day?
one day. Let's see. Let's head to the tables back this
Oh,
way.
but you didn't see your Matchbox cars right there.
I'll come to that. I'll come to that.
So we're gonna do that.
Gondolas. Man, they got Hot Wheels cars over here. They got a lot of stuff, man. I don't know where to start. Like, I honestly don't know where to start. This is a lot of stuff here.
Look at your brass.
Yeah. European stuff up here.
All right, well, yeah, you too. I got to come up this way, man. All right. Keep your ass, keep wearing the helmet back.
Oh, I got tape.
Yeah.
Chapel Ridge of the ground. Ajax, there's the Ramblers. They're starting to run the Ramblers out to Arco. They come east on the CNJ, CA6 in the morning and made that job west to Arco. Unload the Ramblers.
I think I'll get these two.
Western Chapel Ridge.
I'll go there.
You getting those?
Yeah.
All right, man, don't run out of money now.
I'm
You
not.
got your stuff. All right, so you.
I'm gonna go down to him. No, I think it's him down here.
What they wanted.
I think there's something coming this way.
entire show. We have operating model train layout at the back of the hall, as well as demonstrations of how to build a layout in 4 steps. Located next to one of the shows.
Look at this, look at that one.
Allentown and Punch Sound like it's from Lebanon.
I like that.
How about this? Yeah. That's supposed to be corn, right?
I guess, yeah. We got a drive-in theater.
Starlight Express. Oh, look, they got a television. That's the,
Drive-in theater.
yeah. You have to get that with you. I'm getting it. They would love that. That is so cool.
This is a nice layout.
Hey Charlie, glad that it's going so well. So I came this before I started running today.
I had that train at one
But I'm
time.
just gonna practice.
Look at his t-shirt, the Three Stooges.
I had these too.
I like your t-shirt.
Trying to get back into Knox mode.
Look at this.
So cool.
This is nice.
That nice.
Yeah.
That's how they did that. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
That is
This is fall
beautiful.
season, yeah.
Yeah. Very nice.
Really cool. Yeah.
I don't know if that's it.
Really cool.
Same one. You got to do.
Yeah. The other one's coming around, I think.
On the other side, see the other one is running?
I already got over there.
How about over there? Look.
Yeah. I'll check them out, yeah. This little yard here. operation. Yeah, we did. That's pretty cool. So this is what I bought from the show today, guys. So my mom, she got me the train shirts and the Amtrak hat, which I didn't see any more of these, so thank God she bought that for me. And I like the Alaska Railroad. It's got the Aurora Borealis. There's a wolf. And then you got the Conrail SDP 45s. And then you got the Sioux line. And then the trains I picked up today, I got these 3 Concord material handling cars for 60 bucks, which is not bad. I don't know what brand of flat cars these are, but they look like they're metal, they're cast metal. This one has a generator on it. This one, I think, had a trailer on it, but there was no trailer with it. I'm going to upgrade the trucks to probably Atlas or Athearn trucks. The couplers are fine for now till I, get around to them. And then the cars I got, guys, I found some really good buys with these cars. So this is a Corvette Coupe with the open hood. The shock factor, I had this exact one as a kid, so I had to get it. I had the Mercedes Unimog as a kid. I don't think it was this color. but I got another one. And then this is the True Value Firebird. So I think this is from the store True Value, and I think that's their exclusive version. Never seen that before, but I know that's hard to find. Then this is the 911 GT, 993 GT2. This one here, the Victor Avtech WX3. Guys, when I saw this one, I knew I had to get it. Anything Victor that's Hot Wheels that's from this year, I think is worth something, and it's extremely rare, so I had to snatch it up, which is what I did. And then this is the Gleamer Patrol, so Gleam Team, so it's basically a gold-plated cop car. So I got that because I thought it was cool. And then I had one of these as a kid, the Gulch Stepper, except mine was red and black. I think I still have it too, but it's in rough shape. But I got this one because of that. I have a silver version of the BMW 850i. Had one of these as a kid with the same wheels. There's two variants of these, and they were at the show. Well, actually, there's three variants. There's the red one with this type of wheel, and then there's another version, and then there's an orange version. I got this one because that's the one I had as a kid. The steak truck, I had to get that one because this is the same color I had as a kid. I still have the original truck, but it's in rough shape. And then the Mercedes-Benz 500e. Been looking for one of these, couldn't find it, but found one at the show. I'm still looking for the, I think they make the Evo now. I'm still thinking I think Hot Wheels makes the Evo version. I'm still looking for that one, so if I can find that one, that'd be fine. And then I got 2 free train books right here. And then as for all these, the rest is history. So I got the Alaska Volume 2, because I already have Volume 1. I got the Stormy, Southern Pacific's Lordsburg District. Tracking the Silverliners Volume 1 and Volume 2. I don't think you can find these online anymore, guys. I haven't looked recently, but the last time I saw these, they got sold out, so I picked these up at the show. And then today's Chicago's Railroads and today's Maine Railroads. So I'm trying to get all my Pentrex tapes that I had as a kid back on DVD, because unfortunately the storage unit that my dad had, he wasn't able to pay for it, so, and yeah, everything got lost in storage, all my train tapes and everything, which kind of sucks. But I kind of lost attachment to the stuff anyway, because I was sitting in there for so long. But yeah, moving on. Yeah, this has been my weekend at the Greenberg show. So hope you guys enjoyed the entire video, and hopefully I'll have more soon. Bye, y'all.